Jamaican ghost stories that will keep you up at night. Swinging Duppy. Full story. A man's mother passed away around 12 years ago, leaving him and his family still living in the house. The house originally belonged to his father, who passed away 21 years ago. It was a very small house that they were refurbishing, but it was cozy. One night, his wife was all alone at home because he had traveled to Canada for 6 months on a farm work program. That night, it was rainy and windy at about 6:30 p.m., almost night. She heard a noise and someone was shouting, saying "Yeehaw," as if they were riding a horse. When she went to see what was happening, she was shocked as she saw her mother-in-law, who passed away many years ago. She was swinging in the ackee tree that is beside the house. She was swinging out hell, holding onto the branches by hand, in a white nightie. Back and forth she kept on swinging and swinging. When the Duppy granny saw that the wife saw her, and shouted, "Leave me alone," and stopped looking at me. Duppy granny also said that she never liked her in the first place. The branch then broke, and she fell to the floor. The Duppy got up so fast and ran towards the wife, and as she was about to touch her, she went up in smoke and fog. Duppy granny's grave is right below the ackee tree she was swinging on to this day. She was known for participating in Obeah rituals when she was alive as well. Follow Jamaican True Stories on YouTube. Link in bio.